up, guys? Oh, that's my Amazon. How's everyone doing? Still, I got a new mic, so I'm still messing with the settings. Hope you guys can hear me. Might have to get a little closer sometimes, but if you have a good weekend, my weekend was not not good. Your whole family was sick. I finally feel a little bit better today. I'm actually able to get out of bed. I do have a cough, so pardon every time I cough. Try to mute. Go ahead and wait for more people to get in here a little bit, and then we'll get started. If you guys can barely hear me, let me know in the chat. Still working on this new microphone. Pretty cool. It's definitely Friday. Caught me by surprise. The squeeze just happened. Um, I was saying we had that 4300 area. NQ hit its 3 spot drop off, and ES did not hit it yet. It's kind of almost hit it. So we may go down. Sorry if I do apologize for my cough. My whole family was pretty much sick all weekend. I went from the little guy to the toddler to me, and then finally my wife got it, and then I got back. But I'm feeling a lot better today. So let's go ahead and get started. Wow, oil is down big. Wow. Wow, double top. Wow. That was short of a lifetime. So definitely we're stuck between 4200 4300. This 4300 is going to be a big can anyone comment my sound good? I can't really tell. But 4300 definitely a key hold for for heading higher. We really need to hold kind of where we broke out. ES is a little bit weaker, probably because of oil. I don't like any of these charts. Well, hopefully people can hear me. I don't really. People aren't staying around. Huh. Hopefully. Yeah, I can hear myself. Sweet. Sounds so much better. All right, so Friday, yeah, definitely surprised me. Squeeze was on. Um, just slowly melted up. I'm pretty sure low volume on that squeeze up. Yeah, lower volume on the day. Really low volume on the day. On both sides. NQ was a nice breakout kind of retest. Kind of definitely want to hold that. Yes, we're just between 4,200 and 4,300. Let's see if we can hold this 4,200. If not, we're definitely going to fill in the CPI candle, which I've kind of been waiting for this fill in right here. And Q, kind of same thing. Kind of had this double bottom, 13,282. Oh yeah, I don't have my economic calendar or anything set up. I really did not do much this weekend. We are getting a little pre-market sell-off. I think Europe has CPI data this week. I'm playing Europe futures for that. For real, for real. Yes, you know, stuck here. Spy, pretty crazy move. Kind of, there's our level coming back. We do have a gap to the downside. QQQ cannot hold where it rejected. Thursday kind of came up to the same spot. Friday, I think didn't really get above it that much. Thursday, Friday. Man, that's short on oil. Um, I was like looking at Ethereum because I did dollar cost average Ethereum. I might take it out. Debating on it. I started basically on the bottom. All right, I'm not gonna do my pre-mortem watch list. I don't really feel like typing, but Apple. This is why I always tell a lot of people: make sure my watch list. You make Apple, Amazon, Google, Microsoft, Tesla. These tickers are staying strong, staying green. Market and SPY should rebound with it. That's one thing you want to always watch. Apple, Apple's close to hitting, in a bear market, Apple's only down 6% from its all-time high. That's absolutely crazy. But I did take a kind of far out, a very far out Apple put. Hopefully the market does pull back and we can capitalize on that. Well, it's pretty cheap to go far out, so that's why I kind of went far out. IV is low, but this one we are just hitting our weekly, kind of our weekly pivot top. Our supply here, we did sell off 25%. That's why I decided to take that. I'll line it up a little bit better. You just tell how it reacted around that level. Oh, I changed it so it all messed up. Okay. Let's see if we have a little bit more selling, and we'll take advantage of Apple. The reason I went farther out, I didn't really want to hold that super long. We went in September. I just wanted to protect my downside a little bit. You know, the farther you're out, the less you're, we do go up, the less you're gonna lose. AMD. AMD's kind of in a consolidation. This is kind of its downtrend break. We are hitting. We did hit this nice 104 supply. Really should have taken advantage of that. Down 10%. Other than that, the downside is going to be pretty tricky. Overall, this has been pretty choppy lately. Definitely play AMD off momentum. Amazon. This was my first loss last week. Was Amazon. Kind of sad. Kind of caught it at the bottom. It was just super weak compared to the market. Right here, we got in here. If it was gonna fail this area, we would have saw big downside, but it gained strength and the market started squeezing. So went ahead and took that. Um, 0 days are lottos for me. A lot of people were messaging me about, am I holding? Am I holding? I'm like, yeah, it's a lotto. I'll take it as zero, especially when it gets to a certain level, to a certain dollar amount. There's really no point of selling it. But below Thursdays, yeah, Thursday's low. We're definitely looking towards, head towards kind of this daily or the CPI low where we did push up. So below 139, we definitely will go head down to 138 and a half, 138 lower, 136, and then I think we got this low, but you can kind of tell Amazon is kind of have this uptrend. So let's see what happens from that. Google definitely a tad bit strong. We had this consolidation, broke above. Um, Thursday off was a nice hold of it, but Thursday seemed just like a bear trap. So let's see if we could. Honestly, this week's gonna be gonna probably be another tough week. I mean, I don't know. A lot of these charts just look all over the place. Men, I definitely want to see it over 185 is probably where I'd go to take it up to 189, and then possibly 195. Microsoft, um, Microsoft is definitely. I'm not keeping viewers at all today. I don't know what's going on, guys. Y'all need to stick around. But Microsoft definitely gained strength. Even these definitely gained strength. Nvidia kind of upset, called it out. You know, called out somebody. In my group chat. Just looking at the video, you had this 182 level, which was a significant level at, previous times. We had a rejection here, rejection here. There's this break up, retest, and continuation. NVIDIA definitely stayed strong overall. Definitely watch a 185 hold if we want to continue up. We can tell there's that big sell-off from that news it had, and then boom, we basically filled it all the way back up. Tesla definitely hold. It's 887 right here. Here's this consolidation between these two levels. Broke up. Let's see if we're gonna 887, and then we got that August 8th sell-off. See if we can get above that. A lot of people are very, very bullish on Tesla. So overall pretty bullish. VIX, huge gap up on VIX. What's up, Brad? How's my voice? Can you hear me normal? I got the new mic set up. Kind of very interesting. Yeah, I'm sick, so I'm a little sick. And I need to do a lot of adjusting on the settings. So if I talk like this, I'm pretty good. But man, the whole family got sick. The little boy got sick. My wife and toddler went to the beach, and they both woke up Saturday with a huge cold. No, just cold. The newborn, his nose is just like gushing, just gushing mucus. So when your two kids get sick, usually you get sick. No, just for me, it's just a headache and exhaustion. It's not the Rona. I don't go anywhere to get it. Basically, stay at home with the kids. So just kind of watching overall. But yeah, I need to get my soft voice a little higher on the settings. But I feel a lot better today. Apparently, silver's down 3%, oil's down 5, which I'm right here. But going into open, definitely want to watch, see if we're just flagging. Yes, it's weaker just because of oil. That is good that it's almost over. Yeah. I mean, I got strep like 2 weeks ago, and then just like felt like I had it again. I'm like, what? But for me, when I get sick, I get really sick, like deathbed sick. There's no like in between. I'm either really healthy or just like I'm a deathbed sick. So, but overall, the market is definitely in a strange place. Are we gonna pull back? Are we gonna continue higher? The main thing, ES is going to be this. You know, this is going to be a tough spot to get over. If we do get over, we'll see 43.81. But right now we are just range bound between 4,300 with a nice break above. Towards the end of Thursday, we did catch some bids, which I'm surprised we had a decent push from there. But Friday was just a slow squeeze up, which I don't like. Does not help. For me, that's not my trading. I want a little pullback in that squeeze. We didn't really get any pullback on that squeeze. You can tell, look at these 1 hour candles were just pretty much, this was the only one at 10 o'clock, kind of open, which I think we went down and open. But, for my trading style, I need like a little pullback. Here, you could FOMO into it. You could have FOMO'd into Friday and definitely made some money. But for me, I'd try my best not to FOMO. Where's my? Hold on, let me pop up the economic calendar. I don't know. We got FOMC minutes this week. I don't know about earnings. I haven't even looked at the earnings calendar. Where is it? Calendars. There we go. Housing market index might move a little bit. Move the market a little bit. Um, Tomorrow more housing stuff. Wednesday we got the UK CPI year over year. Euro GDP. More housing and retail sales for July. And then an FOMC minutes. Thursday job claims. And then some speakers, and that's about it. Not much on the economic side. Let's look at Russell. But we actually do have a gap down in futures. I just noticed that. Gap in futures. I really got nothing else. I'm just. It's hard to, for me, it's hard to be bullish, 100% bullish. Grab swings when we are at this big area. If you wanted to go swing bullish, definitely would have been better down here. Pre CPI, a couple weeks below that, FOMC and whatnot. So for me, I want a decent pullback and then look to go long. Wouldn't mind a pullback down to 39. That'd be awesome. Kind of back to this consolidation area. Nice pullback and then a continuation up. But weekly 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks in a row, green on NQ. Same with ES. Pretty decent move up. Pretty sure most of them are low volume. Not bad volume actually. But I mean, that's gonna be it for me. I got really nothing else. A lot of these charts just are hard to read based on what we did Thursday compared to what we did Friday. Main thing is if Apple, watch Apple. Apple, going short. Um, if you just look at if you went short on Friday, just look at Apple. You're like, oh wait, Apple really gave you no short indicator. This thing was pretty strong. I'm pretty sure it held above you, pretty much held above you up the whole time. That's why when I was doing my QQQ, I did that when I was live trading for Discord. Um, I told him like, be careful. Apple is staying strong. It was staying strong. So that's it on Apple. ES, we're between 4,200, 4,300. See if we're flagging in the open. See what's gonna happen here. If we're gonna actually break above or continue down, will not. But definitely keep Apple, AMD. I feel like semis need a little pullback. But a lot of tickers already hit higher time frame supplies, so and they already pulled back from those supplies. But y'all have a great day. Hopefully tomorrow will be a little bit better, feel better, and all that. Y'all have a good one.